Welcome back to Fat Boys Junction and this latest April update. I had already installed some plug and play lights from Woodland Scenics. However, after a visit to the Ali Pali exhibition recently, I came across this guy and I bought 10 lights off of him. And I have to say I've installed a lot more since, because these lights are absolutely brilliant. They're the 3-volt type, so you need to solder on a resistor, so reducing it from 12 volt to 3. But believe me, it's just unbelievable, the difference. You buy a couple of switches as well, and the saving is just incredible, and I think they're better lights. You tell me. Very nice they are too. Anyway, if you want any more details, just drop me a comment and I'll tell you who it is. I don't do much advertising, it's not my scene, but yeah, this guy who is in the Isle of Wight. Really good stuff, really good stuff. Because I'm experimenting all the time, I also bought 2 Burco lights, which are these, and they're okay. Again, they have the resistors on them. Didn't have to solder those. These are the plug and play lights that I'd already installed, and they're okay. But these ones I've bought where I have to solder the resistors on, I'm well chuffed with them, and it's a great experience. It's a bit more model making. I've really enjoyed doing it. As you're aware, if you've watched the few videos that I have put out, this is all a learning experience for me, and I've only been doing it now for just over a year, coming up to 18 months now, and yeah, I'm really having a great time doing this, I have to say. Never thought I would do. I'm a hill walker by normal hobbies, and this is definitely starting to take over my life, so you're probably going to have to put up with quite a few more updates. I hope you don't mind. Thanks for subscribing, by the way, to those who are doing it, and if you're not already subscribing, please do. Don't forget to like it as well. I'm not making any money from it, it's just a bit of fun, so yeah, subscribe, like, whatever, and come along for the ride with me. Sorry, I'm rambling. This was an Easter National kit that I bought and added a plug and play light to that. And here's one of those yard lights that I purchased along with the station lights. They're really excellent. I don't know why I'm being cagey actually. The guy's name is Joe and he's from Kites Lights. Kites Lights in the Isle of Wight. Thoroughly recommend them. Brilliant. So let's have a look. These are the ones I've put round the level crossings. Obviously a lot to sort out there. Haven't done any ballasting, put the cork down or anything yet. I'm going to get round to it. And these are the lights I installed on the platform. They're the plug and play ones, those ones. And these, which by a flick of a switch go on, are the excellent ones from Kites Lights. As I said, I had no idea why I was being cagey about that. I'm sure he'd love the advertising, I don't mind doing it. Again, switching on the yard lights, and there's one little platform light there, again from Kites Lights, so very nice. But all of them need a little resistor soldered to the wires, no big deal. There's the Burco lights going on, and on go the plug and play lights. Now, I've got trouble with one of these, for some reason it's flickering away on the camera, but you can't see it with the naked eye, so that's a bit of a weird one there. Don't know what's going on. Anyway, that's something else for me to sort out. These are some lights I installed underneath the viaduct just to light that up. And finally, with some still to install, these are the plug and play lights on the little army office area and the sidings that I've got. Once again, there's the level crossing. And this area is the goods yard that I'm currently working on. Loads of work still to be done. Laying track, putting cork down, sorting out the points, and so on and so forth. But yeah, it's all coming on, and I'm really enjoying myself, I really am. I think everyone is aware by now that the Flying Scotsman is in its 100th year. Now someone kindly gave me a model numbered 60103 in its current livery, so when I had the opportunity to purchase a new model, I went for number 4472 in the livery it was in when it went over to the United States between 1969 and 1973. The box and this medallion are of great quality, and I'm very impressed with this, though it has to be at the price, I have to say. You get a nice certificate, and this is number 170 out of 500 limited edition, which I hope they keep to. Time will tell. Usual stuff you get with it, obviously instructions on how to fit DCC, etc, and how to remove the bodywork. But also you get some extra information on how to put on the brake rigging, and also how to assemble the water tender, because this particular version comes with a coal bunker and a water tender. A reason why I went for this, actually, apart from the livery itself, which has some extra features over and above what you would normally get. So there's the water tender coupling assembly and the brake rigging. So yeah, some extra things you need to do to get this one up and running. Nice touch here, you get the crew included with all the extra bits. Nice. So here it is, the Flying Scotsman by Hornby, renumbered 4472 when it went over to the United States. Now, as I say, I already have the model that's numbered 60103, and that's why I got this version, which has the two tenders, the coal and the water tender. Now, as you can see, it's got some extra bits, the plough on the front, the bell, and the light, which does actually light up. Now, a lot of people will find this, well, frankly, a bit naff, but I quite like the touches, and it certainly looks nice going around the track. Obviously, it's not authentic as it is at this moment in time, but as I say, I've already got that version, so yeah, why not have this version? And I think it's a bit of fun, frankly, and I quite like it. This is obviously only the DC version, as Hornby don't seem to do a DCC version, and whether I turn it DCC, I don't know. Here's a couple of snippets of it running. It is a good runner, and I do like the light on the front, and the firebox is flickering as well on the DC version. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that little brief look at the Flying Scotsman, and I hope you like the version I bought. Next up, I'm going to have a play with the latest innovation from Hornby, the HM7000 DCC chips and sound decoders. Now, I'm going to put it into this Class 31, and we're going to have a play with it on an iPad and see how we do. So see you next time when we have the Class 31 all Bluetoothed up. Sounds fun to me. I'll see you out there. Stay cool.